AI, AI, AI. It's like it's the only conversation happening right now. But the reality is there's one more conversation that needs to be happening frequently within your business, and that is how to apply AI at work. We had a very special live stream event here at Go Team's Better Together studio. We're bringing to you the first of our episodes on applying AI at work for CEOs and leaders. I'll cover for you three key areas. The first is why you need to learn how AI is way more than just ChatGPT, and you need to achieve this before your competition does. I'll break this down further and cover some of the terminology and really simplify these important terms for 2024 that will leave you feeling more confident about the building blocks to win with your AI strategy. Then I'll share with you a very special Fast 5 diagnostic questions that will set the baseline for where you're at today and guide your AI adoption strategy. Secondly, I'll cover these new tools that will be available for you and your team, and they're brought to you here from Go Team and our $5 million pledge that's all about helping you to scale and exceed with AI. In fact, we've invested over $1 million in the last 12 months to prep you up just for this moment. I'll share with you also a simple framework for breaking down where to apply AI in specific departments, teams, and roles. And then I'll give you a high-level view of some of the incredible tools that our team have been building for you. And the spoiler alert is that this is not about Midjourney and ChatGPT. This is going to change the way you work forever. And then finally, I'll share with you how to close the skills execution gap and how to have your team winning with AI. And the best news of all is you're set up for success on this one in a way more than you've possibly imagined. In fact, your millennials will be your secret weapons with the beautiful tech-savvy questioners and high adaptability to change that is innate within this age group. And then finally, I'll give you an insight into the brand new hands-on daily live stream workshops that are coming to you and all of your team, both onshore and offshore, right here from our Better Together studio in Cebu, the Philippines. Check out all the details and the times below at go.team/AI-CEO. See you there.